Okay guys, so with the Tiger Cry meal, the meat, they also serve a special hot sauce. It's like a fish sauce type of hot sauce that has Thai chili peppers in it and a few other things. So I'm gonna make that. We make this all the time, and so nothing new for us, but just wanted to share it with you because it tastes really good with the meat. Okay, so first of all, this is the special deal here. This is the Thai chili pepper. We freeze ours just so that we can maintain it longer because we don't frequent the Asian store very often because it's like an hour away. So we try to load up and then we freeze it so they don't go bad. So it still works, it still tastes good. And basically we just take it out, we wash it, okay? We got a little bit of cilantro here. Got a clove of garlic, okay, peeled. Unfortunately, you know, with the coronavirus and all, we ran out of, you know, lime. We'll usually have lime, and we don't have any, okay? But we have a substitute. It's lemon juice. Still works. Not the same as fresh lime, but you know what? You gotta do with what you got, right? So this will work just fine, but I would suggest using fresh lime, just a slice of fresh lime, and you'll squeeze it right in. And then also we have concentrated fish sauce. So you get this at the Asian store as well. And then one of these. I don't know what you call this in English. If you know what that's called, just comment below, because I don't know. I know what it's called in Laotian. It's called a kok, right? But I don't know what it's called. It's just an herb thing that you smash, right? Okay.
Is it called moiter?
I have no idea. No idea. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash a few. I'm gonna put in about 5 peppers. Okay, I try to choose like different colored ones just to make it real pretty. Okay, there we go. Got some orange ones. There's no red ones in here. Got some green ones. I'm just gonna wash it real quick. I'm gonna take off the stems, okay? I'm gonna throw them in here. Peel off the stems, throw them in here. Just like that. I'm gonna cut this garlic up in half. I'm gonna throw it in here as well. Don't want too much garlic because that dragon breath will get you afterwards, okay? And it takes a while to wash it out. Even Listerine won't take it out. I usually just cut the top of the cilantro. I don't like to use the roots of it, or if you wanna call this root, but the bottom of it because it's really thick. There's the stems, I guess, because it's really thick. So I just use the top and I'll just cut it up. I'll throw it in here as well. With the cilantro, the Thai chili peppers, and the garlic, what I'm gonna do, and there's a technique to this, I've learned this since I was a kid, okay? You wanna cover it just like this with your hand. Why? Because if you don't, stuff will start splattering and you don't want Thai chili pepper in your eye. I've had it done before. Mama said, hey, gotta cover it up. Right, that way it doesn't pop in your eye. So since then, that's just how I do it. So just a little safety tip. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mash it. Okay, I don't have to look into it. I can just feel the stuff. I can feel the solids in there, and I want to just mash it up. Then every now and then I'll look. If you want to come take a look. Not quite there yet. You really want it mashed up, okay? Just where all the flavors are blended together. And I'll just try to mash it, kind of spot mash it, just like that. So you see that pepper, I just smash it up, just like that. I see the garlic there, and you can try to do it on the sides. See all those pepper seeds are coming out. Be careful because you don't want that pepper seed in your face or in your eyeball. That would be no bueno. Okay. So now I got it all mashed up. I want to just keep mashing it. Okay. It might take a few minutes, right? But you just really want all the flavors just blended together, and it's delicious. I'm telling you guys. So my brother-in-law, white dude, Christina's brother, he loves this stuff. He'll just pour this stuff all over his rice, and you know, he'll eat more than I do with this stuff. And you might think fish sauce, a little scary, right? This stuff here, concentrated fish sauce. It's really good, guys. Trust me. If you have never had it before.
Even if you don't like fish.
Even if you don't like fish, Christina, she loves it, right?
I do.
She loves it. And of course, I grew up eating this stuff and making it, so it's just a part of what we do. So there's a skin right here, right? Look. See that skin? I'm just gonna, right here. Okay, I'm just gonna mash it up against, so to break it up. You don't want like a whole piece of Thai chili pepper skin. You want to try to crush it as much as you can. If you can hear me while I'm smashing this. And here's a technique also. You're going from the sides and you're mashing it just like that. Look, it goes like this to the sides, because as you mash, you see this, the stuff just coming up the sides. You want to kind of go around and you're mashing it. See that? So I'm not going around like that. I'm just spinning, just like this. You can also go like this as well, but then you're not covering it up. Just a few details. You don't have to do it that way. I think this is looking pretty good, actually. The cilantro is turning really dark green. The peppers are all mashed up. The garlic is mashed up. So this is pretty much this consistency that you want here. So look here. I'm just gonna take it off this. There we go. So there's still some in here. I don't like wasting it. So what I do is I pour some of the fish sauce in here, right, to wash it down. Okay. And I'm just gonna swirl it so that it gets all the goods, the remaining ones that are on the sides. Careful not to, okay? And I'm just gonna pour it in here. Just like that. All right, it's getting there. It's getting there. So we need more fish sauce. Kind of stir it up a little bit. All right. Again, you know, I would usually use like a slice of lime, okay? But again, this is lemon juice. This is all we got. Sorry about the kids. They're having a lot of fun up there. What do you expect? They're, you know, you can't get, you know, leave anywhere, so they can, we're just having fun upstairs. That's about right. Again, this is lemon juice. We would use lime usually, but we make do. Okay, now look. This is looking pretty good, guys. See that? This is making my mouth water. So, and it has a very potent smell to it, but it tastes so good, right? If you know, it just tastes so good once you start dipping your meat in there, you're putting it on your rice. It tastes really good. So I'm gonna set this aside, and we're gonna serve it with a tiger fry meat. Cool. So again, this is very spicy. So if you want it less spicy, use less Thai chili peppers. I used 5. If you don't like a lot of spice, you might use 2 or 3, right? But again, if you like Thai food, you probably like spicy food anyway. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and we're gonna serve this with our meat. Adios.